Hi, I'm Marcel from Pyrodigital, and in this video I will explain you how you can use the 5 outputs of your FCA field controller to split your network into 4 separate lines and still have one line left as a backup. So say we have a setup like this. So we do have here a setup with 4 positions. Here the left, 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 right and right, right position. All with 3 modules. So we can connect them together, and then this one here would go to line 1, output 1, line 2, line 3 and line 4. And now you still have your line 5 left. So let's say you have a problem with one of the lines. You want to have a backup that runs all of them. So you can actually configure the field controller that line number 1 only outputs fire commands for the addresses 0 to 3, and line number 2 for 04 to 06, line number 3 for the addresses 07 to 09, and line number 4 output driver 4 08 to 0C. But line number 5, as it is your backup, you want it to send commands to 01 to 0C. So this one 01 to 03, 04 to 06, 07 to 09, 0A to 0C, and 01 to 0C. So in the event that you have a problem on any of those lines, you still can go over to line 5. And yeah, I also can recommend you, if you want to do something like this, put a split box here so you have several connectors that you go in, just in case you need it. Like you have to switch over from another field controller, maybe you have a second field controller next to you and have to go over here. Yeah, there are various ways to use that. But for our own shows, it really had been a good thing to have it split to 3 to 4 lines and have a 5th line as a backup. Now let's get practical. Let's have a look to the field controller and see how we can configure the assignment table to achieve what we drew here. Okay, with this controller, I already scanned the network that we just saw. And let's see, what is the result? We go here to the assignment table. Of course, there was no address 00, then we have 01 on output 1, the same for address 02, 03, then the next 3 are on output 2, output 3, output 4, and there's nothing else in here. So if I want all these shots to be also executed on 5, I could now go here and press 5 for each of those, but that's actually a little too much work for me, so I just press quick entry and press 5, and now 5 is active for all of the addresses. So this just inputted 5 to all addresses. That's the quick entry option. And actually that's all I have to do. Now I have my backup line on number 5. All queues will be executed, all addresses will be served on line 5. So for instance, the address 01 is fired on output 2 and output 5. Same for 0203, and 04, for example, is fired on output number 2 and output number 5. Okay, so that's how we split up our network into 4 separate lines and have 1 backup lines extra. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon.